Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to True Boost. Welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to be posting once again, and so soon after the last video. That just makes me excited. I am actually going to be jumping straight into it. In the last video, I mentioned to everybody that there's been a lot happening in the background, not only with me, but with the channel as well. And the reason I haven't really been posting that much is because I've officially started working with and working for NF Additives. If you don't know who NF Additives is, there is no introduction needed. NF is the best octane booster that you can buy, in my opinion, but in a lot of people's eyes as well. And that's why we have the reputation that we do, not only in the tuning scene, but even in the servicing side, guys. We have a whole range of products. It is crazy. But today is going to be the first video of a new series I'm starting on the channel called Boosted by NF, where we just do anything and everything NF. And we're going to start that series off by going over to Jason at GST Motorsport. He's going to be testing out one of our newest products, the NF Fuel Enhancer. I'm not going to say too much about it right now. I'll show you guys when we get there. But guys, thank you once again for tuning in. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, because it's going to get a lot crazier here on True Boost, especially now that we're working with such a good company like NF. It's an exciting time to be a part of the channel. Thank you guys once again, and I will see you at GST. The latest and greatest NF Additives Fuel Enhancer is a 5-litre ethanol E96 blend designed for vehicles running aggressive tunes and high boost pressures. This product has been tested to fully support the octane needs for 102 plus octane tunes, and in today's video we will be testing exactly how much ethanol content you will gain from the 5 litres to the ratio that we mentioned in today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope that you enjoy the content further. Okay, so the RS3 is getting strapped in. So what we're going to do now is actually see what the ethanol content is going to be in the tank when we add the 5 litres. Currently the RS3 does have about 40 litres in the tank, so it'll be around 10%. It should be around 10%, but we'll see now when we add it. I'm super excited to hear this thing run, and I know that you guys are super excited too. So let's get straight into it. So on the screen there where it says power, that percentage, that is the ethanol percentage, and it says 2% as it sits right now.
Take a picture of that. That's going to take. We'll add another bottle in.
Yeah.
We should get up to 20 there.
So 2 bottles on 40 litres is the same as the ratio of 5 to 10. 100%. Woo. Driving it in, it should be around 7 kilometers, or we'll see how long it takes for the car to actually adapt. But yeah guys, once it's adapted, we'll be able to see what the ethanol content should be with the 5 litres to 40 litres. Thereafter we'll add another 5 litre, and it should take it up to about that E20, E25. Let's get it, boys.
Okay, sweet.
Okay, so 5 liters to 50 liters, and it went up 12%. Yeah, that's not too bad. That's actually right about where we want it to be. Yeah, so 5 liters to 20.
So 5 liters to 20 will give you a guaranteed 10%, depending what fuel you got in the car. If you got a good 95, maybe it'll go up a bit more.
Yeah.
But at a minimum, you'll get 10. Most European cars, South African cars and stuff, when they come in, can flex up to 10. This product's not for naturally aspirated vehicles. Yeah, turbocharged, it'll work. It'll give you a nice 10% boost. And yeah, just another product out that you compete with the stuff that's on there.
Thank you so much, Jason. We really appreciate you. Really appreciate your shop. Make sure that you guys check out GST socials on Instagram. They can find you at just GST Motorsport, and their website is the same. Thank you so much, Jason.
Sweet.
Really appreciate it.
Okay.
Okay, so Jason has been kind enough to take me for a drive in this beast. Woo! Evil RS3. We're about to see how evil it is to end the video off. Oh. 1050. This still drives like a normal car.
Yeah, yeah.
Unless you floor it in.
You see now, make sure the camera stays on you.
I'm gonna hold it real tight.
That's it, yeah. Let's get to a road where we can break it.
Oh, it sounds so good. Does this one have a bolt box as well?
Full custom G-force exhaust.
Yep.
Turbo down. It's pretty good.
It sounds really good. Also running that the same like valve.
DS1, yeah. DS1 stock valve.
That's awesome.
It's pretty quick.
I'm holding on tight. Jeepers. What is that for?
Third.
Jeez, man. This thing's got pull. Where does it spool from?
All over.
All over. I can feel that's madness. I'm going to point the camera forward so you guys can just experience what I'm experiencing. It's absolutely
Try and find a
amazing.
road where there's cheese so it gives a bit of value.
Yeah, wow, that's freaking amazing, dude. Whew.
I won't bang it yet, it's a bit control it.
Jeepers, man. Crazy stuff.
How's it feel?
Feels like 1,050 horsepower. I can
Sounds
tell you
pretty
that.
fast, yeah.
Yeah, no.
It's got some speed.
But this car sits so well. Like the suspension and everything is awesome for this.
It's pretty wicked, yeah.
Yeah, man, it squats like a monster. Have you run this thing on the quarter mile?
Yeah, we have.
What did it get?
Private, you don't tell people it's out.
I guess you guys will have to find out when you see this thing at the track.
We'll just race you. Yeah.
100%. It sounds so angry. It is angry. Brakes work?
Obvious.
Are these standard brakes?
Standard brakes, yeah.
Wow. Nothing done, no different pads? Wow.
What do you think?
I think that's awesome.
That's my daily.
Oh, this is cool. This is really cool.
So
So,
speed change, it gives you live data. So on that last pull,
yeah.
target boost was 3.2. Obviously less atmospheric, so it'll give you
Yeah,
about 2.4 bar. We reached 2.4 bar. We're out by 0.02 on the boost. It gives you wastegate duty, NOx, lambdas.
This is
Go
really
to the
cool.
next page. Gives you full logging. Can you export the data? It's live. It's connected to the internet, so it's pretty cool.
Wow.
I'll show you map switching now. Let's go to that page. So this page shows all my last data for the last pull. It's pretty cool, and if you do a full third gear pull, it gives you a dyno log as well.
Wow. So is this something that that you can do for other guys as well?
You need a platform called DS1.
Yep.
It's on the States, pretty accurate. and that obviously accompanies that you can get some data from your DS1, so it's pretty
This is actually
cool.
really helpful. Yeah. This is really
map
helpful.
switching, if you put your camera on rev counter.
Yep.
That's
see.
map. So map 1, map 0, map 1, map 2, map 3.
Yep.
Each map has different boost.
So what are the different boosts for the different maps?
Just more power.
More beans.
More beans, buddy. More
beans
carry.
one, more beans, most
Right.
beans.
That's all it is, yeah. And the vehicle's also got rolling anti-lag, which is pretty nice.
Yeah, that's nice for your highway.
Especially when the bang notes on the highway, so it's pretty cool.
Yeah. No, Jason, I really appreciate it so much, dude. This is freaking awesome. I can't wait for the other beast, because that other beast is a little more crazy than this one,
A
but
little bit more crazy. It's got an extra 300 horses on this. It's got a bit of carry at the back, a bit of notches. It gets pretty angry. But yeah, we from next week on we'll be starting attending a lot of events. I think this Sunday there's East versus West.
Yep.
The 308 crews hosting that. Unfortunately, we'll have to pop along and see what the guys are going to do. So we'll have some fun on Sunday. Yeah.
Are you going to bring this?
I'm bringing it. Yeah.
Not the grey one?
No, the street's too short for that grey one. There's not enough brakes.
Because I mean, this thing is already chewing up these streets.
Really?
Only, man.
Yeah.
Jason, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Awesome.
Until next time, man.
Okay.
I just want to say before we end off today's video, a massive shout out to Jason over at GST for helping us do and complete the tests on our new NF Fuel Enhancer, and I hope that everyone watching and everyone at home with their race cars and with their street cars are going to start enjoying that product just as I have on the Honda, and just as you guys have with the NF Ultra, which everyone knows and loves already. Guys, thank you once again, and stay tuned for the next video. Keep well, keep boosting.